Hindu scriptures. If you read the law of Manu, chapter number 5, verse number 30, it's clearly mentioned that the eater can eat any creature that lives, even if he eats every day. Our Creator created some creatures to eat and some to be eaten. Laws of Manu, Manusmriti, chapter number 5, verse number 31. It says that if you eat in a sacrifice, this is the law for God. Manusmriti, chapter number 5, verse number 42. It says that a twice born
Brother. No, please.
I'm always prepared. When I quote scriptures. Therefore, it's not on the table, it's inside. I wasn't supposed to quote unless compelled otherwise. Now they're compelling me to answer. Therefore, I kept it behind. Otherwise, my books are in the front always. They're compelling me to reply, therefore I'm replying. It's within the rules of the debate. I haven't completed it. So I have to speak for 5 minutes. What?
We would request anyone not to disturb in between.
Yes, please don't disturb
The question.
And who's disturbing? See,
We'll allow another 20 seconds, because this wastes time, and then my time is up, I will stop the speaker.
No, but someone disturb me, I should get more time.
Okay, we give. Complete the answer in 30 seconds.
It's further mentioned in the Manusmriti, chapter number 5, verse number 35, you can have meat. In Rigved, book number 10, hymn number 16, verse number 10, you can have meat. Rigved, book number 10, hymn number 85, verse number 13. Rigved, book number 10, hymn number 86, verse number 13. Says the same thing. You can have meat. In Mahabharata, Anushashan Parv, chapter 88. If you read, Bhishma gives the advice to Yudhishthir. It's also mentioned in Manusmriti, chapter number 3, verse number 266 to 272. It's mentioned there that if you want to please your ancestors, if you give herbs and shrubs, you will gratify them only for 1 month. If you give fish, for 2 months. If you give venison, the flesh of deer, for 3 months. If you give mutton, for 4 months. If you give flesh of bird, for 5 months. If you give goat meat, for 6 months. If you give spotted deer, for 7 months. If you give meat of black antelope, for 8 months. If you give cow, 1 full year. If you give bull, it is 12 years. And if you give rhinoceros and red meat of goat, forever, inexhaustible. So if you have to satisfy your ancestors, according to Rigved, you have to give more, you have to give red meat.